Let's try and help Gabriella's teeth, because she won't suck her teething ring, and I don't want her to eat this, but it's cold, so I want her to see if she'll chew on it. It's easier for you to hold. Come on. What do you think? Is that good? Is that good for your teeth? Careful. Is that good for your teeth? Is it? Put it in. That's it. Put it in. Have a chew. Let's try it this way. Is that good for your teeth? No, Mummy needs to watch very careful because in case you choke. Does that taste better than the teether? You done with it? You done? Yeah, you're done. Was that nice? Was that nice? More? You want to hold it? You want to hold it? Mmm. Don't put it too far down your mouth. You don't want you to choke. It doesn't go in your eye either. Oh. Here you go. Here you go. Here you go. Put it to your mouth. You're nearly there. What about this way? How about this way? No? Okay. Okay. Good try. Good try. Hey. Hey, hey, hey. That was a good try. Oh, here's Grumpy Gabriella coming. What's Mummy going to give you? What's this? There we go. Peace and love.